Hello guys, this is Real CAD Cam Solution. Today we're going to see the new topic of mechanical part drawing. First of all, I set the common setup of unit setup. We already know how to set the unit setup in the previous video. If you don't know the settings of this CAD, please watch our previous video. And then I fix the limit setup, A4 sheet size. Okay, here's the sheet of AutoCAD. First of all, I analyze the drawing from the dimensions and all over the part. Okay, here first of all I choose the rectangle setting from the base plate. Give the dimension 75 cross 52. Choose to 3D view. Just extrude to the plane. Give the thickness as 9. I just refer to the drawing. The both side of the rectangle is correct. I choose to the front view. First I choose to the center line during the Y clamp, choosing to the midpoint. Delete to the center line, covering between the top and the bottom area. I want to know about the top of the radius on U. I choose to the radius here. Take to the radius circle. Just measure to the radius. Yes, 20 is correct. I go to extend the line and go to trim the line. Also trim the inside. This is the center point. Here I offset to the thickness. It's 12. Yeah. I want to change the radius to the center point. Like this. It's 12. Also same. Okay. And then go to trim the top of the line of the circle. Okay. And then go to join the line, a single element. This is join, but this is unjoin. First we go to select the bottom area, not selected. Just draw one more time. Click F8 for straight line. Ortho mode on. This is join. No, it does not join. I want to take extend to the line and then just shift to press to the button. This is the trimming option of extend. Then we going to join the line. It's not joined. I fully edited to the line. Go to select the rectangle size. This is my dimension. This is 10. Click the dimension, has 10 cross 20. See the drawing from the dimension. Okay, and go to trim the center line. Now we going to join the line. Okay, just see the 3D view and then go to take off my 2D to 3D. Just go to 3D tool, just extrude to the Y clamp. Give the value, I give the 40 mm. And go to move the Y clamp to the base plate. Just align to the tracking point. Yeah. And then go to move the center point. Go to change the realistic. Okay. and go to wireframe. I'm going to move the top of the area. Okay, just 3D view, just see the 3D view. This is move to the top of the area. I'm going to move the another option. Just like this. Go to change the realistic. Now it's ready to the fixing of Y clamp 2 base plate. Okay, and here I go to draw the incline support. The name is rib of the pot. Just draw to the same alignment. And then draw to the arc. Because the bending line of the rib. Then we go to select the arc and the rectangle to the connecting of the cross section. Go to move the area. Then we go to see the 3D view. It's correct fixing. Then go to front view, another one. Then go to trim the line. And we go to join the line. Now just it's going to join. And then go to see the 3D view. I'm going to extrude the rib area. It doesn't rib. Just go to change the press pull comment. It doesn't change. I'm going to explore the line and see the every corner connections. I think some area doesn't connect to the same point. Yeah, here see. I'm going to extend the line and then trim to the line. Now we're going to click the join option. It's definitely changed to the right corner section. Yeah, this corner section is correct. It doesn't change any changes, I think so. And then go to select the join command. Yeah, it's perfectly done. Yeah. We're going to press pull again. Yeah. Give the value of the rib thickness. It's 8. Okay. And then we go to move the rib area to the Y clamp. Yeah. It's almost complete. Just click to the top view and go to adjust to the center alignment area. Okay. Again move to the center area. Now look, it gets down to the part, the moving section. I'm going to click realistic and just click to the rib area. The gizmo arrow just move upward to the direction. Okay, I think it's complete. Yeah, looking good. And go to front view. I'm going to mirroring to the area to the opposite section. Yeah, like this. Okay, now we look going to see the southeast direction. Yeah, we almost complete the 3D pot model. And we're going to set the layer property. This is the color setting. Here I create the new layer. This is the base plate, and the second one is on top of the pot, Y section, Y clamp. And another one is a rib area. This is a rib joint. Okay. And then choose my color option. Click to my color. Also click to the rib joint color and the Y clamp color. And go to the select the base plate. Just change the color. This is base plate. Yeah. Choose the base plate. Okay, it's changed. And go to select my rib option. Okay. Also change the Y clamp. Yeah, also this is also changed. Now this is my 3D mechanical part has been completed. And now we're going to just present to the animation part, like a video animation. I already complete to the steam engine cross-set video, how to render to the part and how to making the animatic part also. Again doing the same option, the same work to this part. Click to the animation path, ANIPATH. Click to the path area on circle and click to the point to the bottom center area. Give the format is audio video interface AVI, and the resolution is 1024 to 768. And just select the visual style realistic. Give the duration as 12 seconds. And this is the path area. Select to my link camera target area also the point. Just see the preview. This is the preview of part. Wait, I'm going to change the speed, 12 seconds or 10 seconds. Okay, this is the saving option. I just going to see the preview. Yeah, it's viewing to the camera has been slow. I think this is the right way. This is my presentation. Okay guys, I hope you to understand this video and easily understand to this how to make the mechanical part. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you.